what is Elevate Aviation Group? And I always describe it as a fully integrated aviation services platform.
Part of what makes us so unique from an aircraft management point of view, it is a client first and a client-focused business. We have a phenomenal group of professionals that take care of you as a client. First and foremost, our owner services team provides that unique, dedicated concierge experience where you're not calling to a call center. You're calling to one of the owner services reps by name, and you're part of our operating family. We are taking care of our jet. It's our jet that we're collectively managing together.
Since we've worked with a lot of these customers for so long, they've trusted us and what our knowledge is and how we maintain their aircraft. They're all family to us. We've been working hand in hand with them, and we ensure that all the top maintenance is provided to their aircraft at all times.
You can come to any of the Elevate Aviation Group brands and be serviced through our integrated model, working directly with your single point of contact into our organization who has full access to all of the tools, resources, and capabilities of Elevate Aviation Group.
Yeah, we have a really good crew that cares about getting it done, and they will jump through hoops to get equipment and material and whatever, wherever it needs to go.
Everyone works so well together as a team to ensure that things run the way that they need to be run, and to such a high standard as well.
We train all of our pilots to 135 standards, whether or not they are 135 pilots. Every managed customer, we want to provide them with the best of the best pilots, so we train all of our pilots at the same level.
We're different because of our standards of safety. I mean, we have the Argus Platinum rating and the Wyvern Wingman rating. We're working with the FAA on their voluntary program for SMS, and that is pretty above and beyond what a lot of different companies do.
First and foremost of everything we do, our number one obligation is to ensure that we do everything that we possibly can as safe as we possibly can. We base all of our decisions on that.
Our goal is to have every experience, every touch point with a member of our team leave our clients wanting to come back again.